Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another update on the Ford Ranger. In today's video, I'm going to change the oil on this pickup truck, change the brake master cylinder. Those emblems right there, we're going to replace for new ones that I got at the junkyard. Here's the master brake cylinder that I got at the junkyard. It's pretty good, exactly the same, so it should work. Here's the better emblems, Ranger emblems. As you can see, much better. So that's gonna be one of the things I'm gonna do for now. Then later I'll probably wash the pickup truck, clean the wheels, clean the tires. You know, it's a little dirty. That right there is brittle, damaged, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. So stick around and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the Ford Ranger and my 94 Ford Explorer. I also do many other videos on car shows, car events, car meets, and also I do a few car reviews. So yeah guys, let's continue. Right now I got the oil draining underneath. It's been sitting there for a while, so it's draining. Got that going. Great pickup truck so far. So leave a comment, let me know what you guys would like me to cover on this pickup truck. If there's anything I've missed so far, I plan on doing more videos on it. You know, I plan on redoing the interior, clean the interior, change a few parts here and there. On the back side, I got a paint remover. Seems like the previous owner spray painted this right here. It used to be like a chrome stainless steel finished look to it. So I plan on bringing it back to the original state, just like it's showing there. So hopefully that's not too bad of a job. I bought a paint remover, hopefully that helps. Here's the back side. I'll clean it. Right now I'm just focused on the engine, making sure it runs properly. I'll probably remove that sticker. There's another sticker over there I'll probably end up removing. So yeah guys, it's a great pickup truck. Let me know what you guys think about it. You don't see them much on the road anymore, so it's gonna be a great truck, very solid. You don't got to be gentle with it. You can just slam it and it's just fine. You're not gonna hurt anything. So yeah guys, here's a view of the interior, but we'll get to that later guys on another video. So yeah, let's continue. Here's the old oil cap. Seems to be missing the upper piece, so I took that off and I'm going to replace it for this one I picked up at the junkyard. So slowly fixing a few things here and there. That's the only way that I'm gonna bring this truck back to its original state. So there's that. Now let's work on that. Here's the one I'm gonna be installing. Desarmador plano. All right, guys, we got the old one out. Here's a newer one. I cleaned my surface, cleaned it out, so now ready to go back with a new one.